Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad TP00085A. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we'll be addressing a common issue with the Lenovo ThinkPad TP00085A, where users report that the GPU is not working. This can happen due to overheating or manufacturing defects, and if left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, including total failure of the device. So, let's dive into the repair process to get your laptop back to its best. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, thermal paste, a heat gun, an anti-static wrist strap, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Now, let's get started. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws using your precision screwdriver. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the back panel is off, locate the GPU, which is often situated near the CPU. You might need to disconnect a few cables that are in the way. Be gentle and take your time to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, carefully extract the GPU by unscrewing it from its mount. Be cautious while doing this, as applying too much force may cause damage to the motherboard. After the GPU is out, clean the area thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol, ensuring there are no leftover residues or old thermal paste. Apply a fresh layer of thermal paste on the new GPU before placing it back into position. Now, reverse the disassembly process. Secure the GPU with the screws you previously removed, taking care not to over-tighten them. Reconnect any cables you had to detach during the process, ensuring everything is firmly in place. Finally, replace the back panel and screw it back in securely. Power on your ThinkPad TP00085A and check if the GPU is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to keep your laptop clean and well ventilated. Regularly check for dust buildup, especially around the cooling vents, and ensure that you're using the device on a hard surface to allow proper airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.